Hey guys, Old School Customized Rides here. Today's video, we're gonna try and extend the life on these signs here. Okay, we're gonna add some clear coat to it. Because these signs here, I purchased them through Hobby Lobby, and if you put them in the sun, they tend to fade away. So they really ain't got no clear coat to them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some clear coat, stuff that I use for my cars, with the activator. Got my cup, and also gonna use this new small gun that I purchased a while back from Harbor Freights. We'll see how it works. It's a little mini gun, spray gun. So I got my stick here ready. Also got this wax tar remover. So what we're gonna do is clean this up first, and we're gonna try and add some clear coat to it. And let's hope we can make this last for a good long time. So maybe the sun won't eat it up. The first thing we gotta do is add some of this wax tar remover. I know some people like using Windex, but this still works pretty good. I usually use this for my cars. Gets all the like the stains and all that stuff, like when you touch it. You get a little bit of that dirt. You can see that. You can always go back and do it again. It won't hurt none. And always try to use a t-shirt. Don't use that terry cloth stuff or microfiber, because the things on the microfibers will get stuck on there. Believe me. I've learned my lesson when it comes to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this over there because I'm gonna paint underneath the garage. Sorry guys, I have to get everything set up over here. Alright, we'll move the camera right now to look over it. So this clear coat takes 4 in 1. And for you guys who don't know, you got your 4 in 1 right here. Okay, I don't know if you guys can barely see it. It's gonna be your clear coat, and then of course it's gonna be your clear coat, and then you got your activator. Okay, it's pretty simple. You just add more from there. You're not gonna add all that clear coat. You're just gonna add just that extra. Okay, so you got your clear coat here, and then you're gonna add that activator to fill it up to there. It's pretty simple. It took a while for me to learn it, but some people they measure the way they want. You gotta just try to do it the right way. Of course, it's probably gonna be too much, but we'll have to throw like 1 coat first, and then we'll let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll throw another coat. So I'm hoping this works, man, because if it doesn't, I'll be doing that to a lot of my signs. It's also good to always have lids so you can just cover it up. Don't leave it out of there. But since I have to paint out here, if you're indoors, then you're lucky. Me, I gotta paint out here. I need to shake because this stuff hardens up real quick, man. Okay. I just love that smell. So we're gonna go ahead and set the tripod on that side, and then we're gonna start on the painting. Okay, I got everything set up right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this done and cross my fingers, hopefully it works. If it does, I'll be doing I'll be doing the same thing to a lot of the paint, a lot of signs that I have that need to be, could be clear coated. And that way they can last for a long time, man. 'Cause you can see, like, even that one, look, check it out right there. Clay Smith, it's faded. I'm thinking if I added some clear coat to it, it'll probably work. That way it won't get discolored. So that's what's going on. So hopefully if this works, I'll be doing that to a lot of my new signs. I probably can't do anything to that one anymore. Or maybe I can just throw some clear coat over it, but it probably won't get, if I throw some clear coat on it, maybe it won't get faded. It won't fade as much anymore. It'll probably just stay that color. So we're gonna go ahead and get this going, guys. Get my mask on and we'll give it a go. Did a boo-boo. Yep, right there. Let me see if I can fix that. I had to shoot it from far away, man. Yeah, that part where it dripped, it doesn't look too bad anymore, so. Looks more shinier though. Like, gave it more depth. So we'll go ahead and let that sit for a while, and then we'll come back and do another coat. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and throw another coat. Second coat. It's looking pretty good, man. I'm going to show you guys. Look at that. That's nice. So we'll probably throw another coat to it. So we'll let that dry a little bit and probably throw another good. As long as I have a good 3 coats on there, it'll work. Oh yeah. I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and add the third coat. I think with 3 coats it should be fine. I won't be wet sanding this or buffing it, you know, it's gonna just be like that. And I am using pressure like 30 to, I think it's like 30 pounds. So it should give it a smooth, you know, finish. It should come out good. So we're gonna throw the third coat right now, and then that should be it. But I got more signs there that I bought, so I'll probably be doing the same thing, you know, adding clear coat to it like that. That way they can, what you call, that way they can last long. They won't get faded away like those other signs I have. So you want them to look nice and pretty. So let's go ahead and add this third coat. We should be done, guys. Okay guys, that's the last coat. So it looks like it came out good. So we come check it out. Look at that. Now it's gonna have a seal to it. So we'll know now it won't fade away like my other signs. So I'll probably start doing this technique to all my signs. Any new signs that I get, I'll start adding clear coat to it. And look at that shine, man. Hell yeah. This came out good. Still got some clear coat there. I'll probably end up getting I got some few signs there that I need to get done. My head good. So this technique, as you can see, it worked. I didn't think it was gonna work because I don't know, because I just didn't think it was gonna work. Sometimes I feel like maybe the paints might be will lift up or something like that. I'm not too sure. I've always painted like base coat, clear coat paint jobs on my cars, and I never done anything like this. This is my first time, so I guess it will work. So this is if you want to do something like this, this will be a good idea. If you want to put these signs outside or whatever, because the sun will eat them up. But now that it has a clear coat to it, it'll be harder for the sun to eat it up, especially with this type of clear coat. Basically it'll last a long time. I'm hoping it does. I'm hoping it does. But if I see that sign there for about a good year and it still has that good clear coat on it and it hasn't faded away, then it worked. But is this something if you guys want to do to preserve your signs? Just add some clear coat to it. I wouldn't recommend using the clear coat from the cans you buy, but they do have some Eastwood cans, the one with the clear coat. I think you pop it or something. Those work good, but not the ones like from they sell at the Walmart or Krylon or that shit don't work, man. I've used it before, man. It turns yellow, then it starts flaking off. This type of clear coat won't flake off because this is that automotive. This is for cars. So it won't flake off. It's gonna leave a seal to it. So either way, guys, like I said, try it. You know, I did and it worked. So we'll go ahead and just hit the camera. I might have to edit that. We take another look at it. That way you guys can see. It has a nice finish to it. That's that part right there. I think I don't know if you guys can really see it, the little bubbles, but that's okay. It's a sign. It'll look even better if it has a little bit dings here and there, but at least you know it has that good clear coat to it. Look at that shine. Hell yeah, it worked. Big old thumbs up, guys. So I hope you enjoy this small video, how to preserve your vintage signs. That's some ClearCoat. That's it. It'll work. 'Cause I did it. Either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe to Old School Customized. If you haven't, comment too. Let me know what you guys think. You know? And we'll see what the next video looks like, man. Take it easy. Take care. Enjoy yourself, and see you in the next one, man. Laters.